Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is Konkani style loncha. Loncha means pickle and this is made of mixed vegetables. Mixed vegetables can be anything of your choice. We have taken 4 bitter lime, kaipuli or kanchi limbu, 2 carrots, 4 tender and small navel kol, 5 to 6 green chilies, 4 lemons, 1 bamboo shoot, cut, soaked in water for 3 days and dried until water has gone, and wipe it. 8 to 10 bird's eye chili or kandhari slightly crushed, 2-inch ginger. Since bamboo requires to be soaked, we had already cut the bamboo, soaked it for 3 days and then dried it to use it for the pickle. Cut all the vegetables in desired sizes. We have de-seeded the bitter lime as well as the lemons. Ginger is cut into very tiny pieces. You can either grate it or cut it. Now add half or 3/4 cup of rock salt or regular salt or as per your requirement. Squeeze 1 lemon and 1 bitter lime. Marinate for 7 to 10 days until the vegetables are soft. Keep mixing the vegetables each day and store it in a well-dried bottle. After 10 days, vegetables are ready for pickle. Let's start the pickle masala. Heat a pan or a kadai. Add approximately 1 handful of methi or fenugreek. Dry roast it until slightly brown. Now keep it aside. Approximately 2 handfuls of mustard seeds and dry roast it until they start to splinter. Keep everything aside. Switch off the flame. Now add 3/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida or more if required. Roast it for 30 seconds and keep it aside. Now in a mixer jar, add mustard, methi and hing. Grind it into fine powder. Add the fine powder to the mixed vegetables and mix it with a spoon. Make sure the spoon is dry. Now in the same kadai, heat 1 or 1.5 cup of oil. Heat the oil very well and keep it to cool down a bit to prevent the tadka from burning. Once the oil is in the normal heat, keep it on a low flame. To start the tadka, start with adding 1/4 teaspoon or half teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of mustard seeds. You may also add curry leaves if required. Allow the oil to cool down a bit to prevent turmeric and chili powder from burning. Add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now add 2 teaspoon of spicy chili powder or more chili powder if required. At this stage, you may add 5 to 6 teaspoons of Kashmiri lal chili powder for the color. I have added it later with more oil. Now allow the oil to cool down completely. Once the oil is cold, you may add it to the vegetables. Scrape out everything from the tadka pan and now mix it well. Since I needed more oil, I have heated another half cup of oil and I have added 5 teaspoons of Kashmiri lal chili powder so that I get the best color. Once it is done, I allowed the oil to cool down again. Now I have added the second oil to the mixed vegetables. Now the pickle is ready to store and use. In order to store the pickle, make sure that the bottle is clean and dry. Here goes our spicy, tangy and colorful pickle. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment. Thank you.